could do this, but my question is, notice you can't do this using substitution. See, like you didn't even read this because you said, I'm trying to do this one. It says, notice you can't do this using substitution. Yeah, you are going to try with something else, except you're not really. What would be your only thing you could do right now? Can we refocus here for some of you who have lost focus? You mean George, whatever. You could not divide by anything, but what you could do is expand this. That would be your only thing you could do. And it would make you look. It would make you look a little like this. Actually, it would make it look a little like this. Guys? Yeah, you can put some tears in there if you want. If you want to write it, I mean, you don't really need a formula for this. You have a formula for this x to the n. It's just using the power rule in reverse, right? And you shouldn't write that coefficient first. You should always write this power first, because then it helps you realize that this is 1 over that. This is no different. This will hopefully. Can we be quiet, please? Those of you that have great difficulty with this, try your hardest. This is u to the n plus 1, and it's 1 over n plus 1. And then what's the extra part that's here? Okay, but aside from that, because when this is a function, remember there was an extra part when we wrote the chain rule? Remember when we found the derivative of x to the power of n, it was nx to the nx to the n minus 1. But when we did u to the n, it was nu to the n minus 1, but you had to multiply by an extra part. U prime. Where's the extra part here? It's what? What did I say up here? Remember I drew the confused calculus student? When you found the derivative using the chain rule, this extra part appeared. When you work backwards and use integration by substitution, where did this extra part go when you replaced this thing here? It disappeared. Once you've changed this to du, the extra part has disappeared already. Extra part has already disappeared. The extra part is already involved in this du. You have to change it to do that first. Once you're to the stage of having this, it's dealt with already. Extra part has disappeared. You have to deal with it first. Extra part has disappeared at this point. You've already dealt with it. So try some of these. It really helps to It helps to identify this first, even for those of you that would think you want to do it all at once. If you think you're good enough, I guess, to be Canada's next top mathematician, you can try using. You can try doing this in your head. I think that would be a reality show that would catch on, don't you? Canada's next top mathematician? I think it would. Let's pause. Okay. You want to explain this one? You need a pseudonym first. Oh yeah, sorry. Your real name.
I can't explain.
Diego.
I can't explain it.
Hey, let him explain.
Okay, I'll try.
Hey.
So.
Hey.
So, how do I do it?
Oh, sure is all full
so
of
this
talk
is
now.
U. This right here. U.
Hey, did you? Hey, no. Well, I should start talking through this whole thing first.
You should.
Guys, right?
U equals that's sine x. And then no du
Where would you
du equals
Cos
x dx. So then this makes it this thing u third du, and then that would go into 1/4 u to the 4th.
Just pause for a second when you're done.
Plus c. Should I just pause it there? Or?
Sure. You're supposed to be listening.